Hey everyone, it's your girl Layla. Welcome back to my channel.
I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnuts roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose.
Okay guys, welcome to another episode of Vlogmas. In today's video, I am going to be doing a Dollarama haul. This is going to consist of home essentials as well as decor items that I picked up. I only picked up a few decor items, but I do have quite a few things to show you. Actually, I honestly feel like it's not that much, and I did put a lot of things away, but I did take some stuff out to show you guys. Also, excuse the background noise in this video. It's because I have the patio door open. It is so extremely hot in here in my apartment today. Like, it's not even hot outside really. It's like -1, but it's like a sauna in here, and I can't even wear like a sweater if I don't have this open, and it's like open right behind me. So there's construction noise, and I'm really sorry about that, but it's literally for my own good because it's so hot in here. But okay, let's go ahead and get started. If you guys are not already subscribed, please go ahead, click that subscribe button below. I am uploading every single day for Vlogmas until the 26th of December. So let's get right into it. I'm gonna start off with the Christmassy stuff first, and then get into like the non-Christmassy items after. I have been on the hunt for these, and I finally found them. And I'm looking for one more thing for my sofa. I am actually looking for a fuzzy gingerbread man, which does exist. It's like this really cute gingerbread man with a bow. You can get it at Winners, and at Winners it's like $30, but at Dollarama it's like $5. So I've been on the hunt for that. I haven't had any luck trying to find it, but I've gone to Dollarama like pretty much almost every single day, different Dollaramas around, but I haven't been able to find that. But I did find these. So these are just snowflake cushions, and these were $5. I kept the tags on, honestly, just because I was lazy, but I do have these on my sofa right now, and they are so cute. My sofa's black, so I decided just to go for all of the colors. So this is the red one. They're actually really nice and fuzzy. I mean, for a cushion, these are kind of small, but they do like fit your head. They do their job. Honestly, they're fine. For $5 each, they're fine. Where are you gonna get cushions for $5? They're usually like around $40. I think cushions are one of the most overpriced items that you can actually buy. So I've been looking into alternatives like this, and I've seen some on AliExpress for the springtime. There's like flower ones that I found, so I'm just gonna do that. I'm not super into the decorating mood. Getting some like bigger cushions and stuff like that, that's nah. Okay, so this is the next one here. This is the gray one. So I got the red and the gray together, but then I was on the hunt for this beige one because I honestly think this one's the prettiest out of them all. It's like this beautiful beige snowflake, and that is for like my neutral lovers out there. Even if you did have a fancy sofa with fancy cushions, that one is like a nice little accent. Okay, next like Christmassy item I picked up is this. I think this is supposed to be a hot chocolate or like some kind of mocha coffee drink. It's so cute. I just had to get it. Dollarama has a bunch of these like off-brand squishmallows. That's legit what these feel like. They feel like a squishmallow, and I think it's really cute. I put it on my sofa as well. It's one of the added cushions. Okay, next for Christmas decor items, this glitter is gonna get all over my hand, but I found this really cute house. Again, something that I hunted down because this isn't available at all Dollaramas. I had to like really search for this one. I saw it posted on Facebook on a Dollarama group, and this actually does light up, but I don't know how well you guys are going to be able to see it right now in the daytime. You can't. You actually can't see it at all in the daytime. It's very like a weak light, but it does like twinkle and stuff. I think this is so cute. It's just sitting by my window. Okay, next up for decor pieces, I'll kind of like show it on the side here because it is suction cupped to my window, so I can't really like take it out and show it to you, but it is a light up Santa Claus. I also did grab some Christmas ornaments when I was at Dollarama. I got my star for my tree there. Again, I'll include a little photo or video on the side here. Okay, we're gonna get into like more household items. I'm gonna have to show you one of them as like a little side video because it's in my closet. That thing, it was like actually, okay, we're gonna start off with that. Okay, so this right here, this was so cheap. So it was $5 for the stand, and then each of the drawers were like $4.50 each. So I mean, it's great if you live in an apartment or in a space with not that much storage. If you live in your van or something, if you're doing van life, this is a really, really cool like dresser idea, storage idea. You don't just have to put clothes in here. You can literally put anything in the drawers. It fits a lot, and it is actually pretty sturdy. It hasn't fallen off or anything like that, and I do have quite a bit of clothes in there, and it, yeah, like I said, it's pretty sturdy. Okay, so I just wanted to quickly show you one of the drawers. So one of the drawers just looks like this. This is just the gray one. I wanted them all to be gray, to be honest, but these are actually pretty hard to find. I had to go to one specific Dollarama and I pretty much bought them out. They had a few left in this like ugly brown color, but I did want them all to be gray, and I ended up with like all pink, which is fine. But yeah, these are so nice. They have a cardboard bottom, so they actually stay like this. They don't like fold back in, because when you do get them, they're kind of like folded all up, and I was worried about if you're putting stuff in there, will it like start to fold as you're like putting stuff in there, but it doesn't because there's a cardboard bottom. So these are amazing for storage. Okay, so next up is this Maurice storage bag, and I use these for under the bed storage. I can't believe I found these at Dollarama because I started looking for these on Amazon. I thought of it one day. I was like, I have a lot of hoodies, just like the one that I'm wearing right now. I have tons of hoodies. It's not great if you don't have a lot of space to store them. I probably have like 50 hoodies or something like that, or 30, I don't even know how many, but I have a lot of hoodies, and I was just struggling with storage space in my closet. So I looked these up on Amazon. They were like $20 each, and I randomly was in the aisle trying to find more of those boxes at a different Dollarama location altogether, and I found these for $4. They're $4, and they're actually really nice. They're like fabric. They look like a suitcase. So I have one underneath my bed. Again, I'll show you the clip over here. So those store my hoodies right now, and I just love these. I love the effectiveness of them, and I love the fact that they're so cheap. So I got a second one for more hoodies because my first one was full. So now we'll get into the miscellaneous items that I found at Dollarama. Next up, I got these wipes. I absolutely love these for my car. They're good for like cleaning, or you know, if you, what is it called? If you spill something, if you get something on your hand that's sticky, these are great. Love them. I had to buy a hair clip. So I literally went to Dollarama one day just for a hair clip and foil, and I was literally walking around downtown with a hair clip and foil. It looks so weird because like, I don't know if you guys know this. I don't know if it's like this in the States. It's probably not. I think you guys still have plastic bags, but here you have to bring reusable bags, and I tend to always forget my reusable bags in my car or at home. So I end up just, you know, carrying everything around, and yeah, so I did buy foil that day. I didn't haul it obviously, but I did buy that, and then this huge clip. It's like a really nice claw clip. And I don't wash my hair every day, so that's perfect for days when I don't. I got this cleaning vinegar. So this is the first time I've actually noticed this. Dollarama's probably had this for a while, but this is basically for my microwave. I don't think it's healthy to clean microwaves with, you know, chemicals and stuff like that, because you are putting your food in there. So I decided just to get this. It's just vinegar, and it's made in Canada. So I don't know what the difference between cleaning vinegar and, you know, like edible vinegar is, but I got that. I got this pack of baby wipes. These are my favorites. If you are looking for like, you know, a good cheap Dollarama brand baby wipes, especially for like traveling or for your car or for just randomly for your bathroom, whatever. These are $2.25 for a pack of 72. That's a pretty good deal. I also got this basin. So this is just a foot soak basin for me. I really am into like practicing self-care and just taking care of yourself, especially at the end of a long day. All I want to do is like soak my feet in essential oils and what is it called? Epsom salt. It just helps so much. I used to do it all the time after hiking. I stopped for a while because I didn't have a basin anymore. Like I literally left it in my old place. So this is actually a dish pan. It's $2.75, made in Canada, and it's just, you know, you put your feet in there, mix up some essential oils or whatever the case may be, whatever you want to, and it's so relaxing at the end of the day. And then these are not from Dollarama, but I went to London Drugs because it's really close to Dollarama, and I found these Lotus Bischoff cookies. You know, these speculoos cookies that have been really popular lately. Like they've been making this into like perfume, into deodorant, into lip balm. Yeah, so I love those. They're actually really good, and I like them back before they used to be popular when you could just get them on airplanes. And then I got this. It is a lip balm from Rebel's Refinery, and it is in chestnut praline latte, and it's shaped like an ice cream cone. It is so cute. Rebel's Refinery is a Canadian brand, and I actually really like their stuff. I can't open this. I cannot open that. It's all sealed and my nails are a mess. I'm actually going to get them done right now, so that should be fun. So yeah, that is all for the stuff that I picked up at Dollarama. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you tomorrow with a new episode of Vlogmas. Bye!